Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're taking a closer look at the Gosvor LiteVac G1 pool vacuum robot, a cordless robotic pool cleaner designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools. It promises complete floor, wall, waterline, and platform cleaning while remaining surprisingly lightweight. But is this robot really worth the attention it's getting? What do all of these specifications actually mean in real-world use? Let's find out. One of the first specifications that stands out is its powerful suction system, rated at 3,960 gallons per hour. That number isn't just marketing. Higher suction capacity allows the robot to collect everything from large leaves and twigs to fine dust and sand more efficiently. Combined with dual roller brushes, it continuously scrubs the pool surface while vacuuming debris into its internal filter system. Another impressive specification is the battery life. The LiteVac G1 can operate for up to 200 minutes in eco mode and around 150 minutes in smart, floor, or wall cleaning modes. For many residential pools, that runtime is enough to complete an entire cleaning cycle without stopping for a recharge. Charging takes approximately 3 hours, allowing the robot to be ready again fairly quickly. Coverage is another important factor. Gosvor states the robot can clean pools up to approximately 2,153 square feet in a single cycle. Whether your pool has a flat bottom, sloped floor, bowl-shaped design, or diamond profile, the navigation system automatically adjusts its cleaning route to maximize coverage instead of moving randomly. Filtration also deserves attention. The robot uses a double filtration system consisting of a standard 180-micron filter together with an ultra-fine 3-micron filter. This combination allows it to capture everything from leaves and insects down to pollen, dust, fine sand, and tiny suspended particles that can affect water clarity. The internal filter basket has a generous 3.6-liter capacity, reducing how often it needs to be emptied. One specification that makes everyday handling easier is the weight. At only 15.2 pounds, the LiteVac G1 is noticeably lighter than many robotic pool cleaners with similar capabilities. The quick drain design helps water empty rapidly when lifting the unit out of the pool, making removal easier after each cleaning cycle. The smart features add another layer of convenience. Through the companion mobile app, users can select among 5 cleaning modes including smart, floor, wall, ECO, and periodic cleaning. The app also allows adjustments to navigation behavior and platform settings, while over-the-air software updates can introduce future improvements. Since Bluetooth signals don't travel through water well, the app is intended for setup and control while the robot is on land. Compatibility is broad as well. According to the manufacturer, the LiteVac G1 works on vinyl, fiberglass, concrete, tile, pebble, and several other common pool finishes, making it suitable for a wide variety of residential pool installations. Why has this model become so popular? Much of its appeal comes from combining long runtime, lightweight construction, strong suction, wall and waterline cleaning, fine filtration, and app control into a single cordless system. Early user discussions also frequently mention effective debris pickup and the convenience of automated cleaning, though individual experiences can vary. Overall, the Gosvor LiteVac G1 offers a combination of extended battery life, intelligent navigation, powerful suction, fine filtration, and comprehensive cleaning coverage. Understanding these specifications helps explain how the robot is designed to reduce manual pool maintenance while providing consistent cleaning performance across a variety of pool surfaces and layouts. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.